What is ETL? ETL stands for Extract, Transform and Load. It basically is a data integration process that combines data from multiple data sources into a single consistent data store that is loaded into a data warehouse or any other system. In early 1970s, when the databases grew, ETL was introduced as a way for integrating and loading data for computation and analysis, which eventually became the primary method to process data for data warehousing projects. ETL provides the foundation for data analytics and machine learning work streams. Through a series of business rules, ETL cleanses and organizes data in a way which addresses specific business intelligence needs. Example, monthly reporting. Or it can also tackle more advanced analytics, which can improve backend processes or end user experience. ETL is often used by organizations to extract data from legacy systems or cleanse the data to improve the data quality and establish consistency. It is also used to load data into a target data warehouse. Extract, transform, load is especially appropriate for advanced analytics. For example, data scientists commonly load data into a data lake and then combine it with another data source or use it to train pre-trained models. Maintaining the data in a raw or less processed state allows data scientists to keep their options open. This approach is quicker as it leverages the power of modern data processing engines and cuts down on unnecessary data movement. Let us now try to understand ELT from cloud computing's point of view. The amount of data we generate and collect continues to grow at an exponential rate. On top of that, we have sophisticated tools that enables us to use all of our data to gain real insights and apply them into our business and customers' requirements. The traditional data warehouses infrastructure cannot scale to hold and process that much data, at least not cost effectively and in a timely manner. If we want to perform high-speed, sophisticated analytics and intelligence on all of our data, the cloud is the only place to do it. Cloud data warehouse such as Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, and Google BigQuery can scale up and down infinitely to accommodate virtually any amount of data. A cloud data warehouse also supports massively parallel processing, which enables coordination of huge workloads across horizontally scalable clusters of computational resources. On-premise infrastructures simply cannot have that speed or scalability. The cloud computing has totally changed the way we handle data and how we deliver ETL. Let us try to understand ETL use case of business intelligence. Data strategies are more complex than they have ever been. Software as a service gives companies access to data from more data sources than ever before. ETL tools makes it possible to transform vast quantities of data into actionable business intelligence. Consider the amount of raw data available to a manufacturer. In addition to the data generated by the sensors in the facility and the machines on an assembly line, the company also collects marketing, sales, logistics, financial, and any other kind of data. All of that data must be extracted, transformed, and loaded into a new destination for analysis. This entire process is known as ETL. I hope you found this basic definition of ETL useful. If you did, please like the video, comment below on what topic I should cover next, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.